I'm still so excited about my trip last weekend, that is 14th of June 2014 at Trishuli River. Hello everyone, I am Rafter Darshana Shrestha. I am here with about rafting hike updates.
Hi, I'm Rafter Avnis. Hi, I'm Rafter Siddhas. I'm Rafter Santos.
Hi, I'm Rafter Jivan.
Hello, this is Rafter Buddha.
Hi, I'm Rafter Prasad.
Hi, this is Rafter Abhida Bregmi.
Hello, I'm Rafter Sudhemishta.
Hi, I'm Senior Rafter Vishwas Lohari.
Hello, I'm Rafter Sulekha Bandari.
Hello, I'm Rafter Sumit Sani.
Hello, I'm Rafter Sangeeta Moharjan.
Dearwork van picked others on the way. We were quite lucky enough to participate in such a trip organized by Dearwork, and believe me, it was the most wonderful experience which I have ever had. Most of us reached Dearwork premises for the adventure. As we moved forward away from the city, we stopped the van and we started with some snacks and tea. Without stopping, we all headed towards our hotel for the refreshments. On the way, we could hear the river flowing. In the city, we don't get to see any clean rivers. Though it was a hot day, all of us were sweating very badly. We all walked 10 minutes and reached our final destination. Adventure is interesting if we are safe, so we had our rowing lessons and hopped in our raft.
Boat Island.
How to hold the paddles? Yeah. So, okay, so listen, here's the three different parts, tea, sass and blend. We got, okay? Now your thumb goes to under the tea and grab a foot on top. So, next hand goes to the middle of the sass. Okay? So, this is the front side and that's the back side. Alright, and then don't lose your tea grips. If you hold here, this time is to go your palm first. I don't want to see blue eyes and broken tooth today. So make sure you lock your teeth nicely. Alright, so who sit in the front? They are the leaders. I post party already. 1, 2, 3.
We were to raft 15 kilometers, which had 9 to 10 tides. Many of us, especially girls, were first-timers, but it was a real fun. On the way, many of us jumped into water and started swimming with our life jackets on. I guess that would be my best moment of the day, as I was so eager to swim in the river from my very childhood. Everything was just perfect. The fun we had while rafting and swimming and all those excitements when we hit rapids can't be just simply expressed.
Yeah, I'm feeling extremely good and I'm tired.
I enjoyed a lot. This is in our country, everybody should give a try.
Fun.
At around 3 to 3:30 p.m., our day trip ended with lunch served at the ending point. Our van was already waiting to drive us back home.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Do you want this boat?
With memories in our heart and a new experience in our life, we headed back home. tired and exhausted, but with a feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction.